I'm gonna make my tinola. So I had to put some chicken, beef, and corn, and banana saba. Okay. So it'll become sweeter. Yes. Oh yeah, it looks good. Almost done. Alright. Okay, it's now cooked. Alright, so now I'm going to put some malunggay. Okay, so malunggay is there, and then once it's cooked and it's finished, oh, great. I don't need to overcook the malunggay, so it's just good enough that it's half cooked like that. Wow, there you go. That's my nilagang chicken and beef. Alright, with corn and banana. A while ago, the banana's peeling was still there. There you go. Nabalatan na yung saging. Kasi kung hindi ko binalatan, binalatan ko agad kanina, walang-wala na, nalamog na yung saging. So, it was much better that I had to cook with the peeling first, and then I peeled it off after. Alright guys, what do I have here? I do have my tinolang chicken, and then of course with corn, with banana saba, and of course beef. Bato. I had to put some malunggay leaves also. Yung pinakat ko na malunggay ko doon sa harap, tumubo ulit. So, I have to make sure na before na lalago ulit at tataas ulit, I have to make sure that I'm going to eat them. Each time. O, diba? Ang sarap, oh. Sarap. Para maiba naman. So, anyway, gusto ko yung may sabaw-sabaw naman. Wow! Ang sarap yung may sabaw. O, diba? So, a while ago, when I cooked the... okay, this is the banana saba actually. I had to put with the peeling, okay? Because if I didn't put the peeling along with it, ano na, yung latang-lata na, as in talagang nagiging, ano na, wala na, di ba? Nagutay-gutay na. So, after it was cooked, and that was the only time that I had to take the peeling off, okay? Wow! And of course, with the malunggay. With the beef. And most of all, my chicken. Beef. With this one, it's really nice to put some corn as well, you know. Every time that I do nilaga, especially beef, it's very nice to put some corn. So, doesn't matter if you eat rice or not, at least you got the corn already, so that's already included as carbohydrate. So, the juice is all over my face now. Beef. Manamis na miss pag may ano once you put the banana saba, it tastes very, very sweet, you know. When I eat chicken like that, I usually just use my hands. Ganito kanina, it wasn't peeled yet. It was like this, and then I just had to take off the head and then the butt. So after that, and then I just had to peel it off. Ayun, so mas maganda. At least hindi na siya gutay-gutay, di ba? Kasi once na you don't put the peeling at first, and then of course they're just gonna be broken apart. So it would look saggy. It would really look saggy. Of course, my beef is still the best. Huh? My beef is still the best. This is the best if you really like something that, you know, that has some soup. So it's computer ready. I got some veggies, I got some corn, banana, chicken, beef. That's so perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, or subscribe. And of course, push the bell button for more updates for my Mystica vlogs or my Mystica celebrity mukbang. Thank you.